Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Pinterest Creator Hub login problems, account access errors step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Pinterest Creator Hub login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully. If you see an error message, double-check your email and password for any typing mistakes. If your password is correct but you still can't log in, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password using the email associated with your account. Once you've reset your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. If you still encounter login issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser. Retry logging into the Pinterest Creator Hub. If the problem persists, attempt to log in using a different browser or device. Check to ensure there are no ongoing outages with Pinterest by visiting their official status page. If everything is functioning normally, consider disabling any active browser extensions that may interfere with logins. If login problems continue, reach out to Pinterest support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your account and the specific errors you are encountering. Be sure to follow any additional instructions they may provide. After resolving the issue, securely store your login information for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.